Attention subscribers, please make sure that you're still subscribed to my channel. I suspect YouTube is deleting my subscribers without their knowledge. Here's a delightful female and a 1923 Ford T-Bucket hot rod. Here's an enticing cutie and a 1933 Plymouth sedan 4-door hot rod. Wowzer! Here's a hot looking babe and a 1953 Ford pickup street rod. As a disabled senior citizen and a U.S. veteran, I've been producing videos for several years now for free. YouTube continues to refuse to pay me for my work. If you like my videos and want me to continue creating them, please donate $1 cash or more and send it to the address listed. Please no checks. Thank you for your support. Here's a voluptuous babe in a 1963 Plymouth that does a 10-second quarter. Ooh, here's an appealing damsel in a 1973 Chevy Camaro. Please don't forget to donate. Please comment, share, like, and subscribe. That's the end of the show. I hope you liked it. Have a good day.